Good morning to all of you. Today we discuss about the integration by part. Here in the previous video we studied about the integration by the substitution methods, but in this case we take some example integration by the parts. Here one note is in this case in log or inverse functions we use unity as second functions. We take some example here. Integration of log x dx, solution of first integration of log x dx. Here we use in this case the formula integration of product of two functions. We take first functions integration of second functions minus whole का integration differentiation of first functions and integration of second functions whole का integration here. Now in this case integration of log x and 1 dx. Here as we use unity as second function. This is a first function and this is the second functions, so that integration of in the product methods first functions in log x into integration of second function 1 dx minus whole का integration differentiation of first function d by dx log x into integration of second function 1 dx, and we take the whole का integration dx here. Now log x integration of 1 that is equal to x. Here log x and integration of 1 dx x minus integration of here in this case d by dx log x differentiation of this 1 by x and integration of 1 dx x whole का integration dx. Now this comes here x log x minus x cancel integration of 1 dx, so that x log x minus integration of 1 is x, so that we take the common x here x log x minus 1. This is the answer here, plus integrating constant c. This is the integration of log x. Now we take another example here. Now question number second here, solution of second integration of sin inverse x dx Here in log or inverse function, we use unity as second function, so that in this case, sin inverse x, this is the first and 1 is the second, used here dx, so that in the product form of the integration, sin inverse x integration of second function in 1 dx minus whole का integration differentiation of first d by dx sin inverse x and integration of second 1 dx and whole का integration here dx. Now sin inverse x and integration of 1 dx, that is x minus integration of d by dx sin inverse x, differentiation of these functions 1 by under root 1 minus x square and integration of 1 dx here simple x dx. Now x comes here x sin inverse x minus integration of x by under root 1 minus x square dx. Now in this case putting putting 1 minus x square equal to t, 1 minus x square equal to t, so that differentiating it with respect to x, in this case minus 2x dx equal to dt, so that x dx equal to minus dt by 2, so that this comes here x sin inverse x and here x dx equal to minus dt by 2, x dx equal to minus dt by 2, so that this minus and this minus, this is equal to positive, and dt by 2 dt by under root 1 minus x square equal to t, 1 minus x square equal to t, this can be written as x sin inverse x, and this can be written as t to the power integration of t to the power minus half here, t to the power half here dt, so that we know that integration of x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. In the similar things here, x plus sin inverse x plus t to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 here, so that this is equal to x sin inverse x plus x sin inverse x plus this is minus half plus 1 half and 2 comes here 2 and this is a half root 2 root t. Putting the value of t in this case, putting the value of t in this case, now x sin inverse x plus 2 root t equal to 1 minus x square plus c. This is the integration of sin inverse x dx. Now we take another example, third here, solution of third, integration of sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. In this case, putting x equal to tan theta, this means that theta equal to tan inverse x. Here theta equal to tan inverse x. Now putting this in our integration, sin inverse 2x equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta here, and dx. As you know that sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is a formula, so that this can be written as integration of sin inverse sin 2 theta and dx. Sin inverse sin 2 theta, this is equal to simple 2 theta dx. It means that 2 theta equal to tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x dx. Now 2 comes here, integration of tan inverse x. This is the first function, and we take unity 1 is the second function dx, and we apply the formulas. In this case, this is equal to 2 tan inverse x into integration of 1 dx minus whole integration differentiation of first d by dx tan inverse x, integration of second 1 dx, and integration of this dx and bracket. Now this is equal to 2 multiply this 2, this is a x, integration of 1 dx x, so that 2x tan inverse x 2x tan inverse x minus 2 differentiation of this tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square and integration of 1 dx, that is simple x whole integration now 2x tan inverse x minus 2 integration of x by 1 plus x square dx. In this case, putting 1 plus x square equal to t, so that differentiating it 2x dx equal to dt. This can be written as x dx equal to dt by 2. So this integration become here, we write here 2x tan inverse x minus 2 x dx equal to dt by 2, and this is t, so that integration of 1 by t and dt by 2. Now 2 and 2 cancel, 2x tan inverse x minus 2 and 2 cancel, integration of 1 by x 1 by t dt 2x tan inverse x minus integration of 1 by t, that is log t, and putting the value of t here, 2x tan inverse x minus log t equal to 1 plus x square plus integrating constant c. This is the integration of our problem here. Now we take question number 4 here, integration of cot inverse x dx. In this case, we use 1 is at the second function, this is the first, this is the second function, so that cot inverse x integration of second function 1 dx minus whole का integration differentiation of first d by dx cot inverse x and integration of second function 1 dx and integration of this dx. Now integration of 1 dx, that is x, this comes here, x cot x minus integration of cot inverse x, differentiation of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square and integration of 1 dx x whole का integration dx. Now x cot x, cot inverse x minus minus plus here, and integration of x by 1 plus x square dx. Similarly, putting one plus x square equal to t, so that 2x dx equal to dt, so that x dx equal to dt by 2. Putting this in our problem here, x cot inverse x plus integration of x dx dt by 2, and this is a t, this is a t, so that 1 by t into dt by 2. Now 1 by 2 comes here, and integration of 1 by t dt equal to log t. This is equal to log t. So that putting the value of t here, x cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 log t equal to 1 plus x square plus integrating constant c. This is our result in this case. Now here 3 standard integral, integration of under root a square minus x square dx, integration of under root a square plus x square dx, and integration of x square minus a square dx. This is also used as a formula, and we integrate this. We take the question number 5 here. Integration of under root a square minus x square dx here. We take this is the first term and this is the second term. Apply the formula. First term integration of second term 1 dx minus differentiation of first term integration of second term of whole का integration. Next x root a square minus x square minus this can be written as a square minus x square to the power half n x के power n minus 1 and 1 by 2 a square minus x square to the power minus half and minus x square का minus 2x. Integration of 1 is x, so that this comes here and this is minus x square and 2 and 2 cancel, and this is a minus comes here under root a square minus x square. Now this can arrange here a square minus x square minus a square cancel. This term comes here. Now x under root a square minus x square, and this divide in two part, a square minus x square by itna minus minus plus a square by this, so that now our integration of a square minus x square dx here equal to x under root a square minus x square, and this is a half comes here, so that only simple a under root a square minus x square rest here, integration of this, and this terms a square integration of 1 by under root a square minus x square. Now this is this and this both are same. This comes here, so that 2 of this and this terms comes here, and this terms a square integration of 1 by under root a square minus x square. This is sin inverse x by a. And now 2 comes here, 1 by 2 x under root a square minus x square plus a square sin inverse x by a, integrating constant c. This is the integration of these terms. Now we take these questions with the help of substitution method. Now putting in this case x is equal to a sin theta, so that dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Putting dx is this and x is equal to a sin square theta, so that this comes a here, a square, and 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, so that here under root, so simple cos theta and cos theta cos square theta. As you know that cos 2 theta equal to cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, so that cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 here, and this comes here. Now a square 2 comes here, a square by 2, and integration of 1 is theta and cos 2 theta, integration of cos 2 theta sin 2 theta divided by 2 here. Now theta equal to x by a, sin inverse x by a, here putting theta equal to this, and sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, 2 cancel, and sin theta cos theta equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta, because we put the sin theta x by a here in this case, and sin inverse x by a x this. Now a square introduce here, 1 by 2 a square sin square x by a, and here also a square minus x square under root a square, simple comes a and a square both are cancelled, plus x root a square minus x square, so that this terms integrate with the help of by part, and also we can integrate this with the help of substituent method. Here in this case, if we put the x equal to a cos theta, then also we integrate this. Now take another example. Now here question number 6, integration of under root a square plus x square dx, so that in this case this is the first term, this is second term. First term integration of second term minus differentiation of first, integration of second, and whole ka integration. Now this is here in this case integration of this is x root this, and this is 1 by 2 a square plus x square to the power half, and x square 2x and 1 dx x, so that x square here 2 and 2 cancel, this is half, so that this is in the denominator under root this, so that we can arrange this x square, a square plus x square minus x square, this and this cancel, simple comes here. Now x root a square plus x square, and this can break down in two parts, this part under root this and a square of this. Now this can be also written as this is a half, so that under root half, and this. Now our integration is this, and this is the first term, and these terms will be this type, and a square integration of a square divided by this a square comes here, and this is under root a square plus x square, integration of this is log x plus under root a square plus x square, and this x root 2 and 2 comes here, so that integration of this is equal to this. C is the integrating constant. This is our answer. Now
by the substitution methods, if x equal to a tan theta, so that a and dx equal to a sec square theta d theta, putting 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and under root, so that sec theta, this is a sec theta, a, and here comes a square, integration of sec square theta. Now we take, this is the first part, this is second part, and after the solution we get the similar result. And in the question number 7 also we take, this is the first part and one is the second part. With the help of this we get our result, and it can also solve with the help of substitution methods here. And now
like, subscribe my videos with your friends. Thank you.